Great day, second grade families. It's Mr. Sargent here with another weekly newsletter for the week of February 20th through February 24th. Now, this week is going to be a busy week here at GPA, so we're going to get right to the information. Now, Monday, February 20th, as you know, there is no school or remembrance of President's Day, so enjoy your day off. Now, also this week, as you know, if you watched last week's video, we have our Spirit Week. So, up here, you will see the different days and the different themes for each one of those days. We have on Tuesday, we have Black Pride Day. On Wednesday, we have Black Excellence Day. On Thursday, we have Chucks and Pearls and Jays and Shades. On Friday, we have our Blackout Day. So, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you can participate, awesome. If you can't, well, still be here and enjoy the school spirit. Now, also on the 22nd, as you can see right here, we will be having our Black History Month presentation and assembly. Now, parents, you are invited. It's also going to be streamed live on Facebook. So definitely, if you can't make it, definitely check it out. There are two showings. There's going to be one in the morning and one in the afternoon. We encourage all of you to come on out and enjoy the talent that's here at GPA. So, like I said, you can stream that live on Facebook. Just join the school's Facebook page and, well, enjoy. Now, that is what's happening in the school. Let's talk about what's happening here at GPA second grade. In ELA this week, ladies and gentlemen, you have a new set of spelling words. This is week 18. Let's pop those right up there. There they go. So these words have the sk final blend, which means you're going to hear the SK sound at the end of the word. So let's go ahead and read these together real quick and see if you can find the SK or the SK pattern. Number 1 is away. 2, animal. 3, house. 4, point. 5, spot. 6, desk. 7, mask. 8, task. 9, ask. 10, tusk. 11, disc. 12, hero. 13, able. 14, monument. 15, pair. And 16, multiply. Now, did you find the SK words? Yeah, they're right there, aren't they? It's number 6 through 11. You have that SK pattern at the word. So, ladies and gentlemen, you already have this. If you were here on Friday, you already have this to work on, to study, and to turn in on Friday in preparation for your test. Now, also in ELA, you're going to see this activity, which is talking about the root word equal. Okay, so if we look at number 1, it says underline the root word in each word, and well, it's equal in both. In the word equality and the word equally, we would just go ahead and underline the word equal, which means the same. So go ahead and continue working on that and do your best, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, all homework is turned in on Friday. All right, so after ELA, we have math. Now, this week in math, you are going to continue working with regrouping of subtraction, especially focusing with 3-digit numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look. Boop, right here. You will see that Miss Lewis has already put an example of what to do, how to organize it, as well as how to solve the problem. And if you study the way that it is done here, it should help you for all of the other problems you have to do up there. So, ladies and gentlemen, use 1A as a model of how all of these problems should look. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, practice makes better. And the more you practice and slow down and remember the steps needed to do it, the easier it's going to be. And thanks to Miss Lewis, you have an example of exactly how your problem needs to look. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have social studies. Now, we are finally ready to take all of our research and our information and turn it into knowledge. Now, this week, we are going to conclude our in-class project on Black History Month, important figures, and bringing attention to those that normally don't get the attention that they deserve. Now, this week, we are going to put all of that information and all that knowledge together and use it to create a speech. All right? Now, how do we organize our speech? Well, we started this on Friday, but if you were not here on Friday, here you go. Well, you should already have your information. So now we're going to take that information and follow these 4 easy steps. Now, when you create your speech, you should start with the introduction of that person. Now, we are going to give our speech in the first person, which means you are going to speak as that person. All right, if you're Jackie Robinson, you're going to speak as Jackie Robinson. If you are Maya Angelou, you're going to speak as Maya Angelou. All right, you're not going to mimic their voices, but you're going to give them your voice to bring attention to their lives. Now, with our introduction too, I've already started something for you and how your speech can start. If you look right here, it says, hello, my name is, well, and then you put your person's name. I was born in, well, that's when you put their birthday. In, well, this is where you put where they were born. And the next line, I am known for, but there is more to me. And that is a great beginning for your speech. So that is number 1. Number 2, what were their accomplishments? What did they do in their lives that make them so incredible? This could include some major events and some not so major events. It's all what you think is important that helps us understand the person that you researched. All right. Now with 3 and 4, we can kind of switch those. So let's put 4 next. The question I'm going to ask you is, why should we celebrate them? So in your speech, you're going to put why they deserve to be celebrated. I'm really looking forward to your ideas on that. And finally, I want you to end your speech with a quote. Use their words to end your speech. Now, as those that were here know, your speech only needs to last about a minute. We don't want to go much longer than that. You can go a minute and a half if you need to. And we don't want to go shorter than 45 seconds. So this doesn't need to be a long speech, but it needs to be an effective speech. So I sent everybody home this weekend with their journals to write. We're going to take a look at these when you come back, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put them together. We're going to create something amazing to showcase you as well as the people that you researched. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited about what we're about to do. All right? So you know this math, you know the ELA, you know the social studies. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it all. Have fun this week preparing for our Black History Month projects as well as our Black History Month Spirit Week. All right. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you this week. I cannot wait to see some of the outfits that you all come up with, and most of all, getting to see all of you. So I hope all of you have a great weekend and be safe out there, and I'll see you on Tuesday.